Hey everyone, it's me Gloria. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be what I eat in a week or what my days looks like. So I have shown everything from breakfast to lunch and dinner, and it took me a lot of effort. So please watch the full video and show some love on it. Now let's get into the video. Hi guys, it is currently 2 p.m. right now and I'm going to have lunch now. I'm having lunch really late today because আমি ব্রেকফাস্ট অনেক লেটে করেছিলাম, and for lunch my sister made rice with মাছের ঝোল, total Bengali lunch full on. So I'm gonna have that along with I'm gonna chop some salad. So let's do that now. Hi everyone, it is currently 9 p.m. right now and I think I started liking cooking just a little bit. Also, I feel like I have reached to a point of maturity in my life where buying new kitchen stuff makes me really happy. Last week I purchased a casserole and I really like it. I like it so much that I bought a new saucepan from Amazon. It's by the same brand called Agaro. It's their Royal Enamel Cast Iron saucepan with 1.9 liter capacity. Look how pretty and classic it looks. And no, I didn't purchase it just because it looks pretty, but because we can cook it in gas as well as in induction oven. Also, it comes with a lid. I'm cooking dinner today, and for that I am making dalia, which is like khichdi only. I was busy editing the whole day, and after that bikele amra baireo gechilam. So me and my sister, we both are feeling very tired and exhausted, so we wanted to eat something very light and something that we can make easily and quickly. So dalia for the rescue. Also, I am making it for the first time. Let's hope it is going to be good. I am cooking it for the first time and making it for everyone in dinner, so I'm really excited. I hope I'll not mess it up. Also, this saucepan is made with cast iron and the surface is enamel coated, which is why it gets heat up really fast, so we can cook faster, which is like so convenient. Hi everyone, so it's the day 2 and I am making Maggie in breakfast for myself and Dodo. Hi, so it is currently 12:30 right now, and I am having this fruits, Mossambi and apple. I was editing our Mamuni Amake folgulo kete diyeche, so I am having this right now, and I have a very busy day today. I have to edit hell lot of videos and send it for approval. I woke up today around 9 a.m. and I had a very cute, demure, cutesy breakfast at 10 a.m. and since then I'm editing only, and I need to send this video right away for approval, and then I'll take I'll go to take shower and have lunch. So yeah, this is how my day is going, and I hope you are having a good day as well. Currently 9:30 right now, and I am having my breakfast with my chai, my morning tea, and
and I woke up really early today, like 8 or 8:30 o'clock. কারণ এখানে কারেন্ট চলে গেছে, এখনো কারেন্ট নেই. I just really hope আমার ফোনে চার্জটা না শেষ হয়ে যায়. So I am making some to-do list right now because I have a lot of things to do today, like a lot of filming. So we're gonna do that after finishing my breakfast. So it is almost 2 p.m. right now and I am having my lunch now. I know it's a little late because I was filming. I shot 2 YouTube shorts and I still need to film a long format video that I'll do after finishing my lunch. I'll take like 10 minutes ka break, then I'll film that video. So I am having kal raat ka leftover biryani as lunch today. So yeah, and I love having leftover biryanis for some reason. So yeah, this is my lunch.
So I had a really tiring day today. I did a lot of filming and a lot of things, so I'm just trying to take a little break now and pampering myself with a hot cup of tea and some skincare while watching a relaxing vlog. Also, I'm gonna make myself a very tasty dinner later on. It is currently 9 p.m. right now and I am making myself red sauce pasta in my new saucepan, and for that I am using Desano's Penny pasta. It is so tasty and made with 100% durum wheat and semolina. Also, it does not contains any fat or cholesterol, which is why it is very healthy. Now let's do little chopping and make something tasty. I think it is day 5 and I had chai and croissant today twice as breakfast. After that, I quickly got ready and left for having lunch at one of my favorite place.